Hello everyone. Currently I am selling my AI course, AI for beginners, from my website rajamanikyam.com. It is a Gumroad based website. Here you can see the details about the course and you can buy from here. Okay. Apart from this one, I am offering my AI course through Udemy also. Suppose if you prefer Udemy, you can buy it from Udemy also. Okay. But my recommended one is rajamanikam.com. Okay. Apart from these things, if you're in India, you can contact me for knowing my UPI ID for making payment through UPI, and then I will manually send the course download link. Okay. But that is manual process. Suppose if you're not finding any suitable payment processor here, we can choose that one. But my highly recommended one is rajamanikyam.com. Okay. And apart from these things, recently I added my course at Fiverr also. Okay. Here you can find as a package: basic, standard, premium. Basic one, it is for getting only the AI course, recorded course, like more than 5 hours of recorded videos and around 8 ebooks, AI related ebooks. Okay. And standard, basic from one session of coaching, one-on-one coaching. Okay. And premium one, 2 sessions of coaching. Okay. That timing is for standard, it is like 1 hour. Okay. 60 minutes. And in case of premium, 2 hours. Okay. 2 sessions totaling 2 hours. Okay. But I won't recommend this one. My recommended one is rajamanikam.com only. Okay. It's having a lot of advantages. I can send you updates through emails. A lot of things are there. Okay. And I keep on updating the content there. Okay. But suppose if you are not familiar with me, and if you want to have some mechanism, a screw kind of mechanism, you can go with the Fiverr. Because Fiverr, that will release the payment only after you receive the course, right? So that case, you can go with Fiverr, but that is not a recommended thing from my side. Okay. From my recommended option is buy the course from rajamanikam.com, and you can contact me to know about the payment ways for getting one-on-one coaching. That will provide benefits for both of us, because that will avoid any kind of fees. But in case if you are going with Fiverr, we have to fully go with Fiverr, because Fiverr terms and condition, they won't allow external communication. Okay. So once we start the process through Fiverr, it should go with Fiverr only. But in the beginning itself, if you are buying from my course from rajamanikam.com, we can further discuss about one-on-one coach through email or Google Meet something. Okay. So that is why I'm recommending rajamanikyam.com. But anyway, if you feel comfortable with the Fiverr, then you can go with that also option also. That is why I added here also. But as I said, I won't be continuously updating here. Okay. But in case of rajamanikyam.com, I'm keep on updating the content, as well as almost on daily basis I'm sending a lot of AI related details through email newsletters. Okay. So it will be very useful. Even I am planning to have YouTube live sessions frequently for talking about AI. Even planning to invite experts in some AI fields. Okay. So if you're buying my course or any kind of ebook from Gumroad, that is rajamanikam.com, you will be getting details about the live session timing, other things. Okay. So that you can also join and make use of that option. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.